here we have the Rai cell phone and laptop repair shop, just right here on the Punto Engano Road. So they're a little bit busy at the moment, so I'll do a little interview with the owner during the day. Okay guys, so we're back at the cell phone repair shop, and we've got Jerry Lynn and her husband here who are going to talk to us about what it's like to run a business here in the Philippines in general, and just a little bit of information on their cell phone and computer repair shop and what it's like to run that type of business. So hi Geraldine, how are you?
We're good.
Okay, so you might need to speak up because of the background noise.
Yes, absolutely.
So how long have you had this shop?
Here in Mactan, I've been almost a year.
A year?
Here in Mactan.
In Mactan,
yes.
Okay. And is this is just this shop that you have?
We also have in Angasil, right before Angasil Port.
Okay, so Angasil Road is fairly close to here, maybe 2 kilometers away?
Yes.
Something like that?
Something like that.
Okay. So does that shop do quite well also?
Yes.
So do you have different staff in that shop?
No, we're still there for morning. Then afternoon we came here for another repair.
Okay, so you work in the first shop in the mornings,
yes,
during the day,
yeah,
and then in the evenings you come here?
Yes.
Okay. And so which shop do you find is the busiest?
Here in Mactan.
Oh, this one here?
Yes.
Right, okay. So it was a good move then for you to come here?
Yes, that's why.
So what got you interested in starting a business?
Actually, my husband, around in her late 20s,
Yeah.
is doing a technician already here in Lapulapu.
Right.
Her uncle, they have a shop. He's the one technician there. Then after few years we decided to put up a business like this because of his skills and hobbies.
Okay, so so he was in college learning this in Lapulapu before,
Yeah.
and his uncle had a shop,
Yes.
and so after he got some experience of running the shop and what it was like there, he
Yeah.
decided to go into business.
Yes.
All right.
Absolutely.
So you're quite happy that was a good move?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And so setting up a business in the Philippines, is that easy or is it complicated?
It's not easy. We have more complication regarding we have also permit.
Yeah.
Doing like some steps. Then yeah, it's not easy. It's not also difficult.
Right. So okay, so it's just a matter of going through the process, right?
Go to the process.
Yeah. So it's a lot of bureaucracy, and as we know in the Philippines, bureaucracy can take a long time, right?
Yeah.
So, but it's just a matter of doing the steps and and waiting.
Yes,
right?
yes, steps by step.
Right. So after however long, then you get all your permits and everything's ready.
Yeah.
So then you start.
Yes,
right?
yes.
And so I see one of the things about in the Philippines is that not everybody who does a job is really qualified. I see some of the motorcycle mechanics. When I see what they're doing, I can tell that they're not really qualified at what they do. So how does someone who's coming here know that they're getting a qualified person doing the service? How do they know that it's going to be a proper job?
Actually, we can see this certificate of my husband.
Oh yeah.
This is NC3 from TISDA.
National Certificate 3
Yes.
for Technical Education Skills Authority and Mobile Phones Handling and Gadget Servicing. Okay. And it's got all the work that you've done, your competency and skill levels. Okay. You've convinced me.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ryan is a qualified and skillful technician. He knows what he's doing. So you're doing Android, and you're also doing
iPhone.
iPhone too. And all makes of computers and laptops?
Yes.
Okay. And I see that you kind of diversified a little bit into doing some of your peripherals, cases, etc.
Yes, accessories. We have also
Okay.
chargers,
Okay, so
speakers.
yes, speakers and some second-hand phones. And do you give a warranty with your phones, your second-hand phones? Do you give a warranty?
Yeah, we have a 1 month warranty.
1 month warranty.
Yes,
Yeah.
for the repair service.
Okay.
And also if he or she is not convinced with the phones, we can return the money back after 3 days. If you're not satisfied with the second-hand phone,
Yeah.
we return the money.
Oh, so after 3 days, if you just don't like the phone for any reason, they'll give you your money back. Okay, you can't say fairer than that,
Yes.
right? Very fair.
Yeah, very,
And so all the repairs have got a 1 month warranty.
yes, repair service.
Okay, that's cool. And you do the screens and jailbreaking, that kind of thing
Yeah,
on the iPhones.
yes.
And also, if you mentioned to me that if you forget your password on your computer or your Android phone,
Yeah.
you can still get in
Yes.
and recover the password,
Yes.
reset.
Yes, that's one he's working right now.
Right.
He's doing a G-tag.
Yeah.
Forget the password of one of the Android model.
Okay. So do you need special equipment to be able to do that, so you can bypass
Yeah.
the chip that has the or is it the BIOS or something?
That is we call this UFI.
Right.
Yes, and also connected to the computer.
Okay. So you bypass using the UFI.
Yeah.
And obviously it bypasses all the codes, etc., and gets you
Yes.
straight into the processor, so you can reprogram. So here's just a little look about some of the machinery that they use. So they've got microscopes, and then they've got the screen up there showing you the what's actually showing on the microscope, so you can see. So very detailed. I can see they've got some good test equipment there. So yeah, a very good place to come. So very close to Mactan Newtown Boulevard, a couple of 100 meters away. So I'm going to throw a map up very shortly just to let you see exactly where the place is. So if you do have any problems with your phone or with your computer or your laptop, and you're looking for a place that's going to give you a warranty, and the people that are doing work on your equipment are qualified and competent, because qualification doesn't always equal competency, right? This is the place to come. So thank you so much for sharing your shop and your business ideas and what you do here. I appreciate it very much.
Thank you, sir.
I hope that my viewership gets something from it, and maybe visit your place sometime in the future.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, amping guys.
Amping, sir. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Salamat. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. As always, tune in for the next one, and bye for now.